I'm still on the toe trail of the Hoodoo area in Banff. I'm filming because I just spotted a Pileated Woodpecker. I'm on my way back. I heard it on my way out here, but I didn't find it. It's actually at the base of that tree. There's these two skinny trees, and there's a big thick one in the middle. There's a red crest. Pileated woodpeckers are the largest extant member of the woodpecker family. There's another woodpecker that was bigger, that looks exactly like it, except for the size. But those went extinct, I think, sometime in the 1900s. And the reason I know that is because I read about it. Let's see if the woodpecker's still there. It's hiding on me. There it is. I don't recall being this close to one before. I don't want to disturb it too much. I guess the reason I know something about the Pileated Woodpecker is because the first time I came across one was in Jasper, and I did some research on the internet to figure out what kind of bird it was, and I was like, oh my god, I just discovered an extinct bird. But it wasn't extinct, it was just a cousin or something that was still alive. There you go. Hey. The joke's on me. If you know what that laugh was a reference to, please post it in the comments. Come on, bird. I think we could play like that all day. Whatever side I'm on, it wants to be on the other side. So we'll leave them alone. It's a national park. We're supposed to be nice to animals, right? I don't think he'll do much more than what he's doing right now. So if it intrigues you, hit the rewind button.